Hello everyone, I'm Never Done. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing a cute little dragon, just sketching it actually because I'm just trying to get ideas for these things. So this dragon, my sort of prompt is to draw the cutest, smallest possible dragon. And I'm going to be doing a bunch of different ones, 13 in total. And they all have to be of progressively more large and ominous looking size, and maybe the largest one will be terrifying and be able to eat not just small children, but large fat children. All of the children it can eat. But this one is going to be like a cute one. So I'm not going to commit to the inking because I'm still conceptualizing. I'm still at the little idea stage. And really, I could have done a better job of doing the idea stage because, you know, you should produce a lot of different sketches, different positions, not put so much effort into the original sketch. So this is probably not going to be final or used at all. I probably want a different pose for this thing. And what I'm doing here, it's kind of the stereotypical like cute thing where you got the tail tucked in and then the little legs. But as you know, I have a bit of a problem getting the legs positioned because there's not enough space, but I want them to be stubby because cute things typically have stubby limbs, short, stubby, fat limbs. And then of course, not so much line. So simplest design for the baby. Designs get more complicated as they get older. So this is a little project that I'm thinking about brainstorming right now. Hopefully I can release it in the future if things pick up in the world. We will see about that though. In the interim, I hope you've been enjoying the gaming videos that I've been doing. They're fun. I know that that's not really the content you're expecting from me, but while we're cooped up indoors, that's what we all are facing, limited choices in what we can do. So I hope that you found that enjoyable, and if you have any ideas for what you want to see me suffer through, please just tell me, and I might even buy it if I don't own it yet. I certainly did buy a couple things already, so let me know. I'd be happy to accommodate you. So yeah, this dragon, hopefully it's cute, I don't know. Remember, the key cuteness criteria of kawaii is large eyes, obviously, but heavily spaced out eyes, because the more spaced out they are, the stupider you look, and people kind of like stupid things. They're cute, like bunnies, sheep, things that are dumb. Like, no offense to bunnies, but if something looks too smart, you get a little concerned. Like if a bunny suddenly makes eye contact, and then looks up a little bit, and then back at you, and then looks at a knife and looks back at you, you're going to start thinking it's less cute and more concerning. So, yeah, larger head than body, or similar levels. Because if you look at like babies or toddlers, their heads are about the same size as their whole torso, their whole body actually, and their legs are like half the height of their head. It's weird. Like adults. Babies are human, but adults have like 3 heads high worth of leg. That's a lot of leg. So they're clearly not cute. I mean, beg to differ, but we're talking about neoteny kind of cute, where bees and stuff, like animated bees, not real bees. Well, real bees are kind of cute too because they're fuzzy. But yeah, we're trying to get large eyes, spaced apart eyes on a larger head, small stubby limbs, low level of detail. So if you refine like too much of the eyes or anything, too many wrinkles, we don't want that because that doesn't make anything cute. So that's another precept of cuteness. And of course, something I'm not doing in this thing, which maybe I should, is add a little pointless decoration. Pointless decorations is another aspect of cute things. So you take your average babyish looking thing, slap a hat on it, or actually an inappropriate accessory like a briefcase. It makes things weirdly cute. Or a monocle or any of those things. Gives you nice stuff. But it can detract from the realism of what you're trying to convey. So that's why I'm not going to jam a monocle on my baby dragon, because it doesn't make sense. So for this guy, I'm just going to spice him up, make him cute as possible. I'm probably going to conceptualize some other poses and stuff, so this is not the final product of whatever I'm doing. Yeah, there'll be I don't know, I'm going to try some different things. And I have a lot of other dragons I have to draw too. I've already done turtles. I did a little series of turtles, which I might show you at another date. I actually need some help. What would you say? Comment in the comments below your ideas here. But for father turtle, we have mother turtle and father turtle. I've drawn mother turtle. having difficulties with Father Turtle, because Father Turtle, I want to draw the Father Turtle as a poster kind of thing, but I don't want him to be, I need to convey that he's the father. Now the two turtles look basically identical. There's slight coloring differences, but physiologically they're the same. So you have to indicate their gender and their role based on what they're doing, what they're holding, stuff like that. So for the father, I mean, I could just put a hammer in his hand, or I don't know, but that's too stereotypical. I don't like that. I don't like stereotypes that are really blunt like that. So I don't want to just be like, oh, it's a dad, he's like doing carpentry. That's also too gender stereotypy. He is a male, but I would like to be a little bit more creative about how I demonstrate this character, this dad turtle. So if you have any thoughts on how to indicate a dad without being too overtly daddy, not daddy, but you know, adjective. And I can't just jam the kid in because the kid's on a different drawing. So I have to keep him alone. So you can't just have kids draping over him. So I don't know. If you have any ideas, comment in the comments below. I already have 2 concepts, but I don't really like either of them. So I would appreciate your assistance there. And whatever you suggest, I will own full copyrights on, unless it's like copyrighted already, like a Mickey Mouse costume. We're not going to do that. Yeah. So anyways, that's what I'm working on. Please comment in the comments below what you've been doing during your lock-in, and how you've been dealing with it. I'd be happy. I would love to hear from you. Love to hear your comments. I love responding to people's comments, positive or negative. The negative ones are a wonderful challenge to respond politely. So appreciate everyone who's given me a negative comment in the past. Definitely good exercise, and I appreciate it. Sort of. So, but I also much appreciate the positive comments. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching my gaming videos, all 7 of you, or 4. Those are definitely experiencing exponential growth if you flip the order in which I release them. Yeah. But I hope you enjoy these drawing videos too. And I might do like a, I don't know, craft video or something. If you're interested in that, give me ideas as to what you want to see on this channel. It's a random channel, so you never know what's going to come out each day. Obviously recently more gaming videos because that's easier to pop out and it's more reliably interesting, I guess. Well, interesting for me anyways. It's fun. So, till next time, see ya and stay safe.